In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of Kling AI. Logging out is a simple but important habit, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what to look for on the screen, and share a few quick tips so you don't lose track of your work. Start by opening the Kling AI web app in your browser. Once the page loads, you should land on the main interface where you manage your AI video and image projects. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the controls appear. If your screen looks zoomed in or elements seem hidden, you can zoom out slightly to make sure the full sidebar and corners are visible. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the interface. You're looking for the three-dot icon, often called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. It's tucked right at the corner and can be easy to miss if you're focused on the canvas or preview area. If you don't immediately see it, hover your mouse near the left edge and bottom edge of the screen. The sidebar may expand, revealing the icon. Click that three-dot icon to open a small menu. From there, choose Profile Settings. This will take you to your account area where options related to your user profile and app preferences are grouped together. It's a good place to verify your account details or plan settings, but for now we're here for one purpose: signing out safely. Inside the profile area, look for the Logout option. It typically sits near the bottom of the account menu, so it's out of the way during normal use. Click Log Out, and if you're prompted to confirm, go ahead and confirm. The app will end your current session and return you to the sign-in screen or the home page, depending on how the site is configured. A couple of quick suggestions before you finish. If you've been working on a generation or export, let it complete before logging out so you don't interrupt a task in progress. After logging out on a shared device, it's a good idea to close the browser tab as an added layer of privacy. And if the interface ever changes slightly with an update, the path is the same in spirit. Open the three-dot menu, head to your profile settings, and select Logout. That's all there is to it. You now know exactly where the sign-out controls live and how to end your Kling AI session confidently and securely.